Now we want our left roof, and we want to stick the light line as shown in the figure. And that would be down through here. We should be able to poke a hole. I don't know if you can see that. It's right at the corner. So we want our left roof. And this would be our left roof. On the top of this decorative little piece, there are little groove lines and decorative cuts. They need to face out. So that would make this the left roof, because if it were turned this way on the right, it wouldn't show up. So we want these wires now to go down this hole that we just poked. And we glue this on here. Be careful where you hold your house at. And I'm going to look for a good spot to glue it at. And it also looks like my wires need to be more to the back here. Okay, that looks good to me. And I think if we just put glue along these edges here, our roof will hold on pretty good. There we go. And now we want to do the right roof also. Once again, we've got the decorative cuts in this top piece. Our hole is right there between the vanity and the wall. And now we need to put these wires down. And those two I have in the middle, so they need brought over here. I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue here. But be careful, it might melt your plastic, so we don't want to do that. I think that'll hold it a little better. Yeah, it's already holding better. Low temp glue might be a better option, but I don't know where my low temp glue gun is. I don't know, if you're anything like me, I buy tons of craft supplies and tools, and then I don't know what I do with them between projects. There's one. You hold it up and get a little bit of light behind it. It's a little bit easier. So here is our second roof. Just eyeball it a bit. Hot glue worked pretty good. Still think I want it over some more. Leave it back here. There's some more. Just a little bit. Looks pretty good. Put some glue along the top edges. A little bit here. Looking cute. We know we want to try the lights. We just have to. So the gray is positive and the whites are negative. What we have so far. I like my little lights that I remade. I think it looks cuter. I love the foamy bathtub too. That's just too cute. Okay. Moving on, we did both roofs. Now we need to take B09, which is our roof with the chandelier hanging from it. And I want to try to bend that a little better so it hangs more straight than not. And this was my concoction. I have a separate video on how I redid the lights because I didn't like the bare bulbs. It would have been super cool if each one of these had a light in it, but they didn't, and that's okay too. But hopefully it's kind of really long. So maybe it should be glued up a little higher. So we're gonna do that. I'll just pull this off. Maybe this should just be bent up in. Let's try that. I'm going to bend this up in. So B09 goes on here and back of this green stand. Be careful how you hold this. There is a hole right here in this very corner. And that should come up right back in the corner behind this green stand. And that is where these wires go. And again, holding it up to get some light behind it helps also. So we want to pull these through pretty far and then get our ceiling on. And that's how that will look. And this should be flush with the front. We're going to need a little more glue here. I have a little unevenness there. Don't know why. I can't tell if it's supposed to be out some. I really can't tell. I mean, it could be. Could be out some. But I mean, it won't hurt anything, but it'll make it flatter. Well, I guess I'll do mine like that, where it's out from this back piece a little, because these side pieces are shorter than this. And, I mean, it looks okay for now, unless I have to rip it apart later. So definitely these are different. And hopefully, and they need more glue. A lot more. Back is good. The front's a little hokey. Well, so far, it's looking pretty good. So let's give these a whirl now. Negative is white and positive. And there, that's what we have so far. It's looking cute. I still like my made over lights. I'm still not happy with their option they had. I'm not real pleased with my chandelier, but I think it's a little better than what they had.